All right, last day of our Who Am I books. So in your packet, you should have two papers like this, a bigger green one and a bigger red one. So you're going to put those to the side for just a second. Then what you did when you have these done and colored, you cut them out. And now I had to cut this one down just a little bit. And what we're going to do is we're going to glue the Who Am I, that looks like this. We're going to glue it onto the red paper. So I'm going to do that real quick for you so that you can see how it looks when it's all done. So I'm going to glue that onto the red paper so that it looks like this. Okay. Then I'm going to take this piece, and like I said, this one I had to cut down just a little bit so that it would fit, and that I had a little bit of a green border around it. So you can cut it down even more if you want, but I'm going to glue that one on. And you will need a stapler today too, so if you can get out a stapler, that'd be good. Okay, so then I put this one on like this. Okay, remember this is where your little picture goes. So then what I'm going to do is I cut all of my little strips, my 6 detail sentences about me. I cut them all apart. The one that I want out front is the one that says, I am a student in Mrs. Nelson's 3rd grade class, because you're going to actually give this to your parents as a gift. So I'm going to put them on top of the green, and then I'm going to put my red on top of that, and I'm going to line them up so that they're all nice and they're all tight to this side, making sure that everything is aligned. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put 2 staples. I'm going to put 2 staples. I'm going to put a staple here, and you notice that I stapled inside the white. I'm going to put a staple here, again, inside the white, so that this turns out to be a book all about you at the age of 8 or 9 when you were in 3rd grade. So then you can get out a piece of wrapping paper and you can wrap this up and you can give it to your parents as a gift. And what's really cool is that you have a picture of you from 3rd grade. I still have my boys'. They made these for me. That's where I got the idea. And I still have my boys', and I love having my boys' art projects. So this was one of them. So this is another gift that you can give your parents. And we are done with our Who Am I project. I hope you like it.